Supporting a client or a loved one in their recovery journey starts with transparency and trust. At times, a person in recovery gets overwhelmed with the long period of reconstruction they have ahead of them. We want them to focus on their recovery by letting our health band show their efforts and progress to their supporters. With the ViviCircle app, you can be a supporter for a client or a loved one in recovery and see real-time biometric data that shows how they're doing. This is linked from their Vivi Companion app and health band that they are wearing. Let's look at how this works. Within the Supporter app, each row represents a client's notifications, which show the alerts about the client's biometrics. This includes sleep quality, engagement, mood, and stress. You can also click on Insights to get access in real time to mood adherences, location, BAC device, regarding whether it was passed, failed, or missed. Another option a supporter has is to request a BAC or schedule one to be sent out randomly. You can even send a positive reinforcement message, which is shown to increase motivation and adherence. The person in recovery decides what information is shared, but we encourage full transparency when it comes to recovery. At Vivi Health, we want to support both sides of recovery. With the ViviCircle app, this is possible.